Herbalife multi-level marketing honest review. Watch before using. Most people get MLMs wrong. They assume they are a quick path to wealth. The surprising truth about Herbalife is that it's a global nutrition and wellness brand that operates through a multi-level marketing model, and you won't believe how challenging it can be to earn significant income without dedication, strategy, and sales skills. Here's how it works. Herbalife offers health and nutrition products, including shakes, supplements, and personal care items. Distributors sell products directly to consumers and can recruit others to build a team, earning commissions on sales and team performance. For example, a distributor might sell protein shakes to local customers while recruiting others, earning both direct profits and overrides from their team sales. Most people get this wrong. They assume everyone makes high income, but success typically requires strong marketing skills, networking, and consistent effort. Additional features include training programs, marketing resources, and events for community support. Users praise product quality and the potential for flexible schedules, but caution that income varies widely, and some distributors may struggle to achieve profitability. However, there are considerations. MLM models can be risky, and most participants earn modest income. It's essential to research and understand the business structure before investing time or money. In conclusion, Herbalife may be suitable for motivated individuals passionate about health and networking, but it's not a guaranteed income source. Realistic expectations, effort, and strategy are key. Subscribe for more honest reviews of business opportunities and MLM programs.